it's Naja Tai. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you guys can keep up with the videos that I'm uploading. And if you are an old subscriber, welcome back, girl. I am ready to get into this look, okay? Let me tell you first, this is a look that I created with my Zulu palette from Juvia, and I was super excited to do it. I still use some eyeshadows from a different palette, but a lot of it came from the Zulu palette that I just received from Juvia. I purchased it myself. They did not send it to me, but I am absolutely loving it. Like, guys, let's get into this. Excuse my lace, because you know I try to glue it down, but no. So I originally saw this look that I'm wearing from a fellow Instagrammer. Her name is The Beauty. Hold on, let me look because I totally forgot. So it's The Beauty by Bella. I originally saw this look on her and I absolutely fell in love with it. Mine doesn't look exactly like hers, but you know, it's just a recreation. It's, you know, my spin on it. I didn't necessarily do an under eye. She kind of took the colors from up here and put it underneath there. I tried, but I was being lazy and didn't put a base down, so my colors didn't stick, so they're kind of gone now. But I still like the way that it turned out. It's giving me very like mermaid vibes. So if you guys want to know how to do this look, go ahead and watch the video, girl, and get into it. Today I am coming with the Juvia's Place palettes that I purchased. Oh my goodness. When I tell you guys, I went through like hell and back trying to get these palettes to me. Long story, that's a long story. I'll go into all of that when I do a review over it. But today I'm gonna come and do a look for you. I actually got inspired by The Beauty Bella The Beauty by Bella on Instagram. Her stuff is absolutely amazing. As you can see, I already have my brows done. I actually made my brows a little bit darker just because the look that I'm doing today is gonna be a little more dramatic. Gonna go ahead and put some primer on my eyes, or a cream base concealer type deal. Okay, so I'm gonna be using some of my other palettes as well. I'm gonna be using just the Beauty Supply palette that I have. I'm gonna go ahead and go on my crease with, and they don't have names for the Zulu palette, but I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this light shimmery blue and put it in my crease. Y'all, look at how pigmented this is. Like, I barely went in that. Do y'all see this? Amazing. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with this kind of like, I don't even know what kind of blue that would be considered. Navy blue almost? I don't know how to explain it, but we're just gonna put this blue on top in our crease as well. And I'm just gonna build this up. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go in with this deeper blue, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my crease as well. Alright, so I got that in there, and then I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush and just blend that. I'm thinking I may add some black in there too. I am gonna go in with a little black. I'm gonna mix it with the dark blue. now that I got small blues on my eyes, it's not like necessarily perfect, but you know, we gonna work with it. We gonna work with it. We gonna go ahead and go back in and create a crease. I'm going to go ahead and go on with this yellow, pack it on the center of my lid. I'm gonna go in with the orange here. I'm gonna put that on the outside of that. Yo, this stuff is just so pigmented. I can't even, like, I'm gonna go back on top with the yellow just to bring that yellow back out. I'm gonna go in with this like magenta pink looking color. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a purple. And I'm gonna go in with this purple. It's the very bottom of the Zulu palette. We're gonna add the glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up. Do the face. Doing the same exact routine that I did from the very first. I haven't changed my foundation routine. Now that I've got my highlight situation together, we're gonna go ahead and set that. Now that I got that together, now we're gonna go ahead and contour. I'm not gonna do a wing eyeliner. We're gonna go ahead and add the lashes. So I know I already added the pink blush on. I'm thinking I want to warm my face up a little bit more, so I'm gonna add a deeper kind of blush to the sides. I'm gonna go ahead and do a like peachy gloss look with this. So I'm gonna do my butter gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and contour my nose a little more. Time to highlight, I guess. And so now, just my face. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you are not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you guys can keep up. I'm going to try and figure out a schedule that I'm gonna upload because I need to keep up with my consistency, y'all. And I'm just gonna go ahead and figure that out. So once I figure that out, I'll let you guys know my schedule. Make sure that you follow me on social media so that you can stay up to date with me, you know, my life. So yes, thank you, bye.